So, you're looking to get yourself into a handheld console, but you're not exactly sure where you should begin. Well, we say, why don't you start from the top? Here is my list of the best handheld consoles right now. We have just reviewed 20 of the highest rated units. Then we've created 5 categories to really see who is the best. And I mean everything from build quality, features, battery life, to controls and software. We really leave no metric unchecked. And don't worry, for simplicity's sakes, we've added links to all of these products listed in the video description box below. Hey guys, I'm Jim, and this is Techie Tech News. AYANEO Pocket Micro, best retro handheld console. This handheld is definitely one of the most premium compact Android consoles currently available, combining retro gaming nostalgia styling with modern portable gaming performance. The Pocket Micro truly emphasizes on craftsmanship, portability, and tactile quality. Its CNC machined aluminum shell and glass front panel give it a luxury feel that stands far above the plasticky heavy construction commonly found in competing models. The device's 3.5-inch 960 by 640 display is specifically designed for retro gaming, especially the Game Boy Advance titles thanks to its 3:2 aspect ratio and excellent integer scaling. Colors appear sharp and vibrant, and the smaller screen contributes to the handheld's excellent portable design, while larger handheld competitors may offer OLED panels and larger displays. The Pocket Micro focuses on delivering that authentic retro gaming experience in a truly pocket-sized format. Performance is driven by the MediaTek Helio G99 processor, which is capable of handling Android gaming and retro emulation up to PlayStation 2 and GameCube levels fairly well. Sure, it's not the most powerful chip on the block, but because of that, it balances thermal efficiency and battery life effectively. The inclusion of Hall effect joysticks are most welcome here, eliminating the risk of joystick drift while delivering smooth analog control, and it's combined with responsive buttons to complete the experience. You get the IS-based launcher that offers performance profiles and handheld-focused gaming console controls, but you can download other Android launchers if you wish. From dollars to donuts, this is an excellent example of old tech anew, with high-quality materials and controls to take you way back in the day with style. And in the future, if you need to find more tech deals, simply visit techietechnews.com. PlayStation 2 Best PlayStation Handheld Console. The portable is unlike traditional handheld gaming consoles because it's designed specifically as a dedicated remote play device from a PlayStation 5 rather than a common standalone gaming system. Sony focuses heavily on comfort, immersion, and seamless PS5 integration, creating a product that essentially feels like a DualSense controller split around a large 8-inch display. This design immediately separates it from its competitors like the Nintendo Switch, the Steam Deck, or even the Asus ROG Ally, which operate as independent game systems with onboard processing hardware. The Portal comes with an exceptional controller experience, and that's because it uses genuine DualSense style controls, with adaptive triggers and advanced haptic feedback. Games feel nearly identical to playing directly on a PS5. Competing cloud or streaming handhelds often rely on generic controls or smartphone clip-on accessories, but Sony delivers a full tactile experience that PlayStation users already know and love. The ergonomics are widely regarded as excellent, making long gaming sessions comfortable despite the device's relatively large size. Its 8-inch 1080p 60Hz display is absolutely lovely. The screen is sharp, colorful, and significantly larger than most smartphone-based remote play setups. Now, performance depends heavily on network quality because the Portal streams games directly from a PS5 console rather than rendering them locally. On a strong Wi-Fi connection, gameplay is smooth and responsive with surprisingly low latency actually. However, unlike self-contained handheld PCs, the Portal cannot function independently without internet connectivity or an active PS5 setup. So there's certainly a limitation, but it also allows Sony to offer you a premium high build quality handheld at a significantly lower price point than most of these other high-end handheld gaming PCs. Nintendo Switch 2 Best Nintendo Handheld Console. The Switch 2 represents Nintendo's biggest hardware leap since the original Switch launched back in 2017, refining nearly every aspect of the hybrid console formula while preserving that portability and accessibility that made the original system so successful. Rather than reinventing the concept entirely, Nintendo focused on delivering meaningful improvements in performance, display quality, controls, storage, and online functionality. The result is a handheld console that feels modern enough to compete with current generation hardware, while remaining uniquely Nintendo in gameplay experience. The most immediately noticeable upgrade is the larger 7.9-inch 1080p display. Compared to the original Switch's lower resolution screen, games appear significantly sharper and smoother, especially with support for HDR and refresh rates up to 120Hz. Nintendo's decision to use an advanced LCD panel instead of OLED still has a divided opinion amongst enthusiasts, but reviewers consistently note that the display still delivers vibrant visuals and excellent motion clarity in most games. VRR support also stabilizes gameplay performance, and that's thanks to its custom NVIDIA chipset and expanded 12GB memory configuration. The Switch 2 now supports technologies such as DLSS upscaling and even ray tracing, allowing the system to deliver graphics far beyond what most players expected from a Nintendo handheld. Now look, it cannot compete with the raw power of a high-end gaming PC or even a PlayStation 5, but the Switch 2 strikes an impressive balance between efficiency, portability, and graphical capability. Games load faster, maintain more stable frame rates, and support larger, more visually ambitious worlds than was previously possible with Nintendo hardware. Asus ROG Ally X, best Windows handheld console. Asus really did double down on handheld consoles being an absolute hit and went to task making arguably one of the best Windows-based gaming handsets we've seen to date. It took the original ROG Ally design and significantly improved nearly every major weakness, and that's from battery life, ergonomics, thermals, and memory capacity, transforming the Ally X into a far more complete premium handheld gaming PC, capable of running virtually every major PC gaming platform and launcher. Its AMD Ryzen Z1 Extreme processor remains one of the strongest handheld gaming chips on the market, allowing the Ally X to run modern AAA games at surprisingly high settings for a portable device. Combined with the expanded 24GB LPDDR5X memory configuration, the handheld performs noticeably better. The extra RAM particularly benefits modern PC games and improves system responsiveness. With the new 80Wh battery, which dramatically improves gaming endurance, can last up to 3 hours with heavy gaming performance, and even up to 7 hours with light gaming. Asus also redesigned the internal cooling system to run quieter and more efficiently, and it reduces thermal buildup during extended gaming sessions. The 7-inch 1080p 120Hz display remains one of the best screens in the handheld gaming category. Motion clarity is excellent, colors are vibrant, and FreeSync premium support helps minimize screen tearing during gameplay. While OLED is being offered on the market, many reviewers still praise the Ally X panel for its smoothness, brightness, and overall responsiveness. Gorilla Glass Victus protection also gives the screen that added durability for portable use. Ergonomics has been substantially improved with deeper handle grips and refined controls. The Ally X definitely feels more comfortable during longer gaming sessions than the original, and with Hall effect joysticks, it reduces the risk of stick drift. In the end, it has it all, and without any known spyware that you might find with a Lenovo model, a brand we do not trust. Steam Deck OLED, best Steam handheld console. It's widely regarded as one of the best handheld gaming PCs currently available because it combines console-like simplicity with the openness and flexibility of PC gaming. Rather than simply increasing performance over the original Steam Deck, Valve focused on refining the experience with a dramatically better display, improving battery life, quieter thermals, and numerous quality of life upgrades. The result is a handheld that feels substantially more polished while maintaining the same core strengths that made the original Steam Deck so influential. The most significant upgrade here is that 7.4-inch HDR OLED display. Compared to the old LCD screen, the OLED panel delivers deep blacks, richer colors, and better motion clarity, along with substantially higher brightness. Along with its 90Hz refresh rate also makes gameplay and interface navigation feel noticeably smoother. Now, Valve's HDR implementation particularly benefits visually rich games, helping the Steam Deck OLED compete strongly against premium handhelds with higher raw specifications. Performance still remains powered by Valve's custom AMD Zen 2 and RDNA 2 chipset, which still handles a large portion of modern PC games surprisingly well at the device's native 800p resolution. The Steam Deck OLED distinguishes itself through its superior software optimization and efficiency. SteamOS was specifically designed for handheld gaming, making navigation, suspension and resume functionality, controller compatibility, and overall stability feel much closer to a traditional console than just a simple Windows-based handheld PC. Add Steam's gaming ecosystem and boom, you have an absolute winner. In addition to the full-size analog sticks and triggers, Valve includes dual captive trackpads and gyro aiming functionality. These features allow mouse-style precision and control in strategy games, shooters, and old PC titles that are difficult to play comfortably with traditional handheld controllers. But overall, it's a fantastic value proposition, making it one of the best handheld consoles that you can buy in 2026. Hey folks, thanks for watching, and also remember that Amazon has an excellent return policy to help you minimize the risk. And remember that links to all of these products are listed in the video description box below. You have another tech product you want to review on? Check out our list for 2026.